Alright, so I've got the right hand side fork leg into the triple clamps, upper and lower. And of course the next issue would be how far to insert this into the triple clamp. How far should this be above the triple clamp? Well, manual says about 12 millimeters. However, I didn't remove the left-hand side fork leg, so that's a reference. And then I put the axle through the two fork legs, and it fits freely. So that's how I'm going to determine how far this fork should be inserted into the triple clamps. And I took a quick measurement. It's about 12 millimeters. So, but it's going to be about the same height as on the left-hand side. Okay, so that was fairly simple. And remember to grease the axle. The last dumb asshole who worked on this bike didn't do that and had a hell of a time trying to remove it. So a bit of grease does wonders. Just using this Castro MP, and goes in smoothly. Okay, so now let's tighten up the fork leg and install the front wheel.